kidding na. Oh my gosh, a fake subscriber. Let's not include her to my vlogs anymore. Oh my god! A fake friend.
Thursday, 10:54 a.m.
Gets ka. Ay, nagets ka. May 7, 9 a.m. I want this one. Hindi ko abot. Ano sa inyo? Dito na lang.
Taylor Swift friendship bracelet. Pants from the video. Ganda, di ba yung mga ano sa ano? Sa...
Hello? Hi, Abby. Hi! Hi! Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Ano na yan eh? Hindi. Ano na yan? 3, 4, 5. One of them. Yung sa ano natin, sa graduation? Oo. Meron akong picture. Eh, meron ko ba din? One more. Patient satisfied. Hindi na talaga ng left eye mo. Dito dapat kumal ko anong dominant hand mo, yun din yung pinaka mas maano na mata mo. Pero mine, mas may talaga ng eye ko. Wala. I love my eyes. Wala.
your eyes. Love me.
Hindi pala sabihin na hello guys, we're studying astigmatism. I know, hyperopia na ngayon.
Astigmatism is a refractive condition in which the eye's optical system is close to lens subject.
5'7", 7K. Oh, 7K for 1 week. Grabe naman. Tignan mo, may himatay pa.
May 28, a disorder in which both eyes do not line up in the same place. Okay. Eyes? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano garo? Astigmatism.
The amount of hyperopia, the amplitude of accommodation, and the distance at which near.
Ulit. Tumigil mo.
Memory sa pagkulat ako.
Optical corrector na mag-speak hyperbole.
Ayoko na ng ganito.
Nakakaiyak ang hirap niya.
Hindi ko mag-gusan mo eh.
May 29, 12 p.m. 12 p.m. It's 11:56. Time check. Happy birthday! The Wednesday, May 29 at 8:28 p.m.
Yes. Pinaka-magandang color. Hello? Okay na iyo?
Okay, lapit pa. Kaya natin to.
My prediction kung ano ang pronunciation ng surname ko is Saluquin. What's yours? Saluquin.
What's yours?
Saluquin.
What's yours?
Uni, what's your prediction sa pronunciation ng surname ko? Saluquin. Saluquin na lang. Saluquin. Okay, mas maarte. I like that. So, coquette. Saluquin. Okay, see you later sa stage. See you later sa stage. Sa exam. See you later sa stage.
Guys, they got my surname but my name